Hi guys, so I just made a video about my calculator and my other stuff. So I will be teaching you in my calculator there was like a addition code. So today we will not do all of the code like also subtraction and multiply or divide. I will just teach you how to get the add code. This will be a series of parts, so let's get started. First of all, change the name. I will just write calculator add. That will be a good name for sure. So first, the second thing that you wanna do is delete this cat. This is super annoying. Whenever you go and create one project, it comes and that's super annoying. I don't want that. So let me choose a sprite, like maybe we can get a ball. Yeah, this is looks good. Now let me see. I'm gonna delete all the costumes and delete the ball too. Now we have two colors. I did this in my previous video. It's on the top right. You can see that right now. Yes. So there are two colors. Let me draw maybe a rectangle. Yes, that's perfect. So we have a sprite. Let's make it a bigger. Oh, that's perfect. So I have my position. Let me see what to set. Okay, so this is X21 Y16. So okay. So when the green flag is clicked, go to it's in motion, go to X21 Y16. So basically this will be like this. If the rectangle is right here, maybe on X150 Y minus 80, when you click the green flag, it will go to the position that you just set. Okay, so let's move ahead with the code. I will make a button like for the addition. We'll write add. So yes, looks perfect. I'm gonna group this. Group. Let me show you how to group this. So first, you have your cursor going on right here. Select all the sprite. You see the rectangle that's right there. Select all of the things that you want to group. Then there will be a option that says group. Just click on that. So you will see that everything moves. But when I ungroup this, you will see that only the text moves. So yes, we have to group this. So I grouped it. And now you don't wanna show this that the sprite which asks what's your number. As you can see, you don't wanna show that this sprite. Let me show you guys. Yes. Now what we are gonna do is I'm gonna in the first sprite in the let me name this, like what should we name this, question asker. Yeah, for me that's good. For now you guys can name it whatever you want. So this is gonna be a long video cause I will get all the details and inform that how each and everything will be coded. Yeah. So now we're gonna write the code right here. Let me zoom this in. Hope you guys can see the code now. Okay. Now what we are gonna do is, when the green flag is clicked, hide and then go to the position. So as you can see, the ad comes, but let me see this again. Let me see. Okay, so we have the go to X. Oh, that was a mistake. Now we don't want that. No, let me see. The ad is right here. That's X minus 138, Y 118. Okay, go to motion. Get the go to X minus Y 38, Y 18, 118. So you will see that it goes right there. And we have a question sprite right here hidden. Okay, so let me zoom the code in. We're gonna write, when this sprite is clicked, what should we do? Let me see my older project. When this sprite is clicked, okay, broadcast, I will just write that the person has to add. Yes, so it is broadcasting this. And now we're gonna go to the question asker. Let me name the ad first. Yes, so now we are gonna go to the question asker and then write, when I receive the person has to add, show. And we are gonna go to add and write, when this sprite is clicked, broadcast the person has to add. We have already done that. Then we are gonna add hide to here. So let me show you what works. Okay, so we will click this and then yeah, so that's perfect. Good start, no? Now when the question asker receives that the person has to add, it will show and then it has to ask questions too. So now what we will do, if we'll drag a if then from the control. Let me see in my older project. Okay, as you guys can see, this is my old project. I will zoom this. When I receive add show, the same message is right here, just the text is changed. Then we're gonna add a forever and then if then. Watch carefully, okay? Oh, sorry. You don't have to do the if then. You have to ask. Let me see, where is ask? Yes. You have to ask, what will your first number be? And then what we will do is, we have to make two variables called number 1. I will call this add 1. You guys can call it whatever you want. So we have add 1 and add 2. So we will write, we don't want to show the add 1 and add 2, so we will just hide this. You have to hide it from here. You see that little square? Just click this and it's hidden. So now set add 1 to, let me go to sensing and answer. So when I receive the person has to add, show, forever, ask, what will your first number be? set add 1 to answer. Okay, now we are gonna duplicate this. Let me show you how to duplicate this, the code. So you have to duplicate ask what will your first number be. Just right click on the ask and the set add 1 will be duplicated itself. So right click and duplicate. It's duplicated. So I'm gonna just delete this. What will your second number be? Set add 2 to answer. So we have this much code. Let me show you guys all the code that we have written. When the green flag is clicked, go to x minus 138, y 118. This is for the add. So you have, when the green flag is clicked, go to x minus 138, y 118, and then when this sprite clicked, hide broadcast, the person has to add. And now the code for question asker. When the green flag is clicked, hide, go to x21 by 16. When I receive, the person has to add, show forever. Ask what will your first number be and wait. Set add 1 to answer. That's your code. And then we duplicate this and we change it to what will your second number be, and then set add 2 to answer. So that's what we have so far. And then say add 1 plus add 2 for 3 seconds. So how will you do that? Let me show you. We have this. Go to looks and say pick up say hello. We don't want to say hello, so get the operators, go to the operators and then drag the plus, the blank plus blank. So we don't want it to be blank. We will write add 1 plus add 2. You can get this from the variables right here. And now we will drag this right here in the hello. You can see. Now what is gonna happen is it will just it asks, then when you write the numbers it will say the answer. So after that set add 2 and add 1 to 0. Let me get that. Set add 1, set add 2 to 0. So let's see what we have so far. Oh, okay, got it. That was a mistake. When the green flag is clicked, this is for add. When the green flag is clicked, show. So it shows up. Then when I click this, it asks what will your first number be. So for example, we have to add 10. Then it will ask what will your second number be. Let's add 10 plus 10. It says 20. So it works with all the combinations like 20 plus 20. Oh, I by mistake added equals to that. Okay, 20, 20, 40. And then 40 plus 40 is equal to 80. So in the second part of this series, we will do subtraction. Okay, so I hope you guys like my video. If you liked it, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.